In this video, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp number in Google Ads so potential customers can contact you quickly from your ads. Start by opening your Google Ads account and going to the left-hand menu. Click Campaigns, then open the Assets section. Assets are additional elements you attach to your ads that give users more ways to interact with your business, such as calls or messages. Once you're inside the Assets area, click the plus icon to add a new asset. You'll typically see options like message or call. If your goal is to allow customers to message you through WhatsApp, choose the messaging option and enter the phone number connected to your WhatsApp account. Make sure you include the correct country code and double-check the number before saving. Using a number that you actively monitor is important so potential leads receive quick responses. After entering the details, save the asset and allow time for Google's standard review process before it begins appearing with your ads. Performance may vary depending on campaign settings and audience behavior, so it's helpful to monitor engagement in your assets reporting. Subscribe for more practical Google Ads tutorials.